Alright, so the merge and the eraser tool, I want to talk about those together because they're not overly complicated and they go pretty quick. So first I'm going to paint something here, make a new layer. So I'm going to click that plus sign up there at the top right and choose a brush, and then I'm going to we'll color something in here. Okay. Now, the eraser tool, when you click on it, is going to erase, right? Now, one thing that it does that I find interesting is if you have a brush selected, okay, so in this case, this is one of the default brushes, I believe, that came with the app, this Nico Roll brush. I don't know how you say that, but so that's my paintbrush here. If you hold down on the eraser tool, it will actually change to that same brush type. So even though this is smaller, the actual brush itself is the same, and you can always resize it. I like using the same brush style for my erasers as whatever I'm painting with, because if I were to, I'm going to two finger undo this for a bit. You can also hold down two fingers and that will also back up. But let's say that I paint with this really cool textury brush, and then I go in with my eraser tool and do something really different. Okay, well, I've got this really like digital looking eraser tool, and that's doesn't really it looks digital, right? So instead of, sorry, back here. So instead of having these two really different types of erasers or brushes, I will, brush whatever I'm going to brush with, and then hold down that eraser and use that same tool to erase, and it makes it look more natural. There's all sorts of options under the eraser. You can literally erase with anything, which is, you can get some cool effects. So if you want to erase with, one of these charcoal brushes here, then, you can erase with that. It really helps to make things look not so digital, if that's your goal anyway. And then smudge tool, let's get something up here we can smudge. So the smudge tool, same thing. You can still use the same brush types, or you can choose different brush types. And it does exactly what it sounds like. So if I go to my smudge tool, this is a very strong smudge tool, but you can see that it's pulling that color around. So I can, from the red area into the clear area, or I can go from the clear area back into the red area. So that about wraps it up for eraser and smudge tool. So we're going to get into the one we're going to be using the most, which is the brush, in the very next lesson.